I'm happy but nervous, yeah.
Anxious, but in general, mentally, I'm fine. Mentally, I'm okay.
I feel amazing and stressed again.
I feel good, but a little worried about the eviction.
I'm feeling tensed a bit.
My experience makes sense, so makes sense that I like her. I swear I love her. I cannot complain.
I've learned a lot while in the house.
I would say terrible and sweet.
I have learned a lot about myself.
It has impacted me to be smart, to be wise, and to utilize every opportunity.
If I'm evicted tonight, I would miss white money.
I'm gonna miss Boma. I like him. Cross.
Big brother, I will miss this house the most. This house is too comfortable.
Taz, the people, I'll miss a few people in the house.
It's going to be emotional for me.